So this is the engine of the Suzuki Jimny or potohar in Pakistan, and today we're going to change the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump new which we have got right here, and I'm going to show you where the fuel pump is located. So it is located right below the distributor, and it has two bolts, one on the left and one on the right side. So I have opened one and I'm opening the other. Here you go. I just opened it all. So here is the second bolt, and now we're gonna get the fuel pump off. So here's the fuel pump off, and now we're gonna go replace it with the new one. So beware of the mobilier which comes from the head. Now I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna attach the new fuel pump here. Wait for a while. Now as you can see, all the gasket has been removed. Now we are gonna clean it up with sandpaper so that there are no residues left, and to make it a clear surface for the new gen. So now as the surface has been cleaned, now we are going to attach the new fuel pump in. This is the new fuel pump that we have got, and it contains two gaskets. Oh, one is already broken, so we are going to use now one gasket which just came with it, and then we are going to attach it, bolt it back in, and then I'll show you how it works.
जैसे प्लास्टिक की हड्डी तो नहीं
अभी उम्मीद तो है फ्यूल वाला मसला तो छोड़ देगी. So here we go. Now the fuel pump has been attached. Now just we're gonna tighten it up, and then I'll show you how it works. For that fuel pump I was using this electric fuel pump, and these keep on failing again and again. So I decided to do not waste any more money on them, and then I decided to buy a genuine fuel pump. So now let's see how that thing works. I'm sure it will work better than these. So let's try it out.
पेट्रोल वाला ये क्या है?
ये वापसी